Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. What we have for sale today is a 2018 Mercury 90 horse 4-stroke. This is a remote 25-inch. This one did come back with 122 hours on it. It's got 195 PSI on all 4 cylinders. Lower unit pressure tested good. It'll come with the prop that is on it. New spark plugs, new impeller, new oil filter, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube, new power head oil, and the fuel system has been gone through. We'll go ahead and fire this thing up. I did just find out it did have platinum warranty, so this does have warranty. That's good till 2027. Go ahead and fire it up here. Got it spraying good water here. This does have the variable RPM switch right here on the side, and the tilt and trim switch is right here. Give it a second here to warm up. And I can only give this so much throttle because if I give it too much, it will hit the bottom of our tank and bust the bottom of the tank open. We've already done it. I don't want to do it again. Dump out a little bit of the tank here. Back to neutral. Back to reverse. Go ahead and shut it off here. Fire back up. Back forward. Shut it off. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great weekend.